Okay, so you want an athletic court in your backyard and you have no idea how to do it. You've gone online, you've looked at the opportunities that are showing up on your searches, and I would imagine most of you are seeing what I know. Start with digging a hole in your yard and pouring concrete. Well, if you live in a community that your homeowners association says, no way, you're not doing that, or you've got, and why would they say that? Because they're concerned about water management. They don't want the water runoff. So if that's the case, then you're out of luck. You can't have a court until now. And what UltraBaseSystems has done, we have created a interlocking panel system. The technology that we had developed for years ago for synthetic turf applications, I've taken that technology, I've redesigned it, I've re-engineered for the specific application of athletic courts and flooring. So what does that mean? So it means you as an end user now can do two things. Number one, you can do it yourself, or you can contact one of our dealers, or you can maybe call on someone that you've got familiarity with. You could be your landscaper or somebody who's already done your brick area for your pavers in your yard. Essentially what you're doing now is you're preparing the subgrade to a level of flatness and stability and drainage that only you can decide if you're there. We'll help you, but you're the ones there, we're not. We're going to give you a panel system that you can then install following our procedures that allow you to have a court that could be used for soccer, for basketball, for volleyball, for dodgeball, for rollerblading, and we're going to show you how to do it yourself. Now, a lot of you folks, look, we've all gone through this last several months where we really don't want to necessarily be, near proximity of people that we don't know. It sounds terrible to say that, but it's the facts. So if you, in doing our way, you can eliminate a lot of the laborers coming into your yard. You don't need to bring a construction crew in to dig and pour concrete. The other side of it is you may not have the ability to get people in your backyard because of lack of accessibility. So our system allows you to create this court system virtually anywhere, from your rooftop to in your garage to in your backyard, and do it without the need for heavy construction techniques as typically associated with athletic courts. We're also very proud that our panel does give an incredible traction, wet and dry. We drain very quickly vertically and horizontally. The planarity, meaning the levelness of each panel, if that's a word, between each panel is perfect. It can't come out of alignment. So much so, we are now seeing major companies roller skating on our panel and also using it for synthetic turf for ice skating on a panel on top of our panel. So that's how flat we are. So if you follow the instructions, you can create your own backyard court. You can do it yourself. We're going to pop up some photographs here and show you just some things that guys like you, homeowners like you, have done in their own backyard. We're getting a lot of calls, probably 1 out of every 3 calls that we've received this last couple of months in inquiries from homeowners is about athletic courts. 24 by 24, 30 by 30. Nobody's going to try and go out there and build a full basketball court, although you could. But what can I fit in my backyard? We've got a solution for you. Contact us, we'll walk you through how to do it, and I think it's going to be a great solution for you to bring play back into your own home, watch your kids in your backyard, and basically allow you to do it yourself.